Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this video, you will learn how to convert your blog post into YouTube video, and then how you can upload into your YouTube channel, and finally how we can embed this YouTube video in. So I will show you the step-by-step tutorial. So I think you're gonna love it. Okay, so this is my website, powerful tutorials. This is my post, like on a post without website affiliate marketing on Pinterest with a website. This is the post. So my goal is to make a video, okay, using the URL, that's mean blog post URL. So if I want to make a video, so maybe I need a good editing skill, and then I need good video equipment, that's mean good cameras or iPhone or some equipments. Okay, so it's a little bit expensive. So as a beginner, freelancer, content creator or business owner, so if you want to create a video using AI, so this is the time, guys. Okay, and if you want to hire someone else who can create a YouTube video, so maybe you need some money. Okay, so as a student or beginner content creator, so maybe you don't have enough money to spend like this. Okay, so let's get started. First thing is we have to find our blog post. That's mean if you have your website, so and definitely also you can work for your client, so you can create a Fiverr account, and also you can promote this your services. Okay, that's mean you want to create blog post into a video. Okay, also you can find Upwork job as well. Okay, so it's all about freelancing, guys. Okay, all right, so today I'm going to use tools. It's called Bull Video. Okay, Bull Video. It's a website, it's an AI website where you can find lots of features out there. Okay, I will show you one by one. So if you want to create a video like product URL, blog URL, image, video, text, or text into captivating videos with dynamic AI voices and great audio visual treat. Okay, so create video in a click with AI, and there are multiple features over there like product to video. So if you are first time here, so you can visit my YouTube channel and you will find lots of AI tools video. So check this out, and you will find like new AI product video generator. So I showed a step-by-step tutorials, so you can watch and practice. Okay, idea to video, blog to video, script to video, visual to video, templates to video, and from scratch. So today I'm going to show you blog to video. Okay guys, so first of all, if you are new here, you have to sign up. So let's click on sign up. So you can create your account using Google account. Also input your first name and the email address and password. So I have already an account, so I'm going to click on login, and then I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. Finally, I logged in into Bull Video, and this is the dashboard guide. Explore the power of video storytelling, and those are the options. Already we know that. So this is the option blog to video. So click on that blog to video. And here is the option blog URL. That's mean I have to copy my blog URL. All right, so let's copy the blog post URL, copy it, and just I'm going to paste it here. And finally, you can set up your duration. That's in maximum duration 30 seconds, keep as it is, and the ratio. So if you want to create shorts video, so 9:16 is perfect. That's mean portrait format, mobile format is perfect for TikTok shorts or reels video. And if you want to create YouTube videos, YouTube long format videos, so you have to select 16:9 ratio and make sure the language. All right, so this is the settings, guys, few settings over there. Okay, so let's click on generate. All right, so both video will help us to blog extraction, and then they will generate a script. Also they will add subtitles and voiceover, and finally the video generation. All right guys, so let's see how they create the video. I will show the final results, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this video is helpful, guys. So stay tuned. All right guys, finally our video is ready. It's a 29 seconds video, and you will find the left hand sidebar, different scenes, and also content, and also the voiceover. So if you want to add something here, you can change, like if you want to change the images over there, so you will find different kind of videos and images over there. And if you don't like this kind of videos, so you can also search over there. All right guys, I think you got it. And also you can select there, and you will find different kind of photos. So if you want to add photos in over your videos, okay guys, and then if you want to select this, just select, and then click on replace. It will automatically replace into this section. Also, you can also edit the voiceover. Here you can see the voiceover. You can also replace the voice and the content. Alright, so I'm not going to change anything. So let's see the final video. So let's play the video.
Learn to dominate affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a website. Use social media, YouTube, landing pages, and email marketing. Set up a business account, pick a niche, optimize pins with top-notch visuals, keywords, and video content. Engage in group boards, collaborate, and experiment with Pinterest ads. Follow Pinterest's affiliate marketing rules and select the right programs like Amazon Associates, Bluehost, Wayfair, and Share a Sale for success.
So it's time to download this video. So let's click on export HD. Finally guys, our video is downloaded and it's time to upload into our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's upload into the YouTube channel. Okay, so let's click on plus and upload video. Alright guys, so this is our video. So let's open the video. We just want to add into our website. Okay, so I will show you the process how we can. Alright, so let's go back to our website and I just want to embed a YouTube video above this title. Okay, can you do affiliate marketing with? So I'm going to add a new blog. Okay, so let's click on add blog and then type video or YouTube video. Okay, YouTube, and you will find a YouTube logo and YouTube video. So let's click on that and you will see that this option enter URL to embed it here. All right, so let's back to YouTube and let's copy the video URL. Copy the video URL here and then click on embedded. Alright guys, and finally our video is embedded over here. Alright, and let's check the final result. Okay, so this is the embedded video guys that we already made using AI from our blog post. So this is how you can create a YouTube videos or short videos using AI from your blog post. Okay guys, so if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will come back with another new tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada. Bye bye.